think a similar question was published. Right? Oh, boy. So the randomization says, yeah, random samples, so the random conditions are the answer is yes. If a 10% condition met, well, I don't know, we have 111.
Oh, so
Yeah.
11 random brands.
And we have 1, 2, 3,
Yogurt.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 out of 110 is exactly 10%. So I'm not even sure what the 10% condition is exactly. I'm going to say yes. All right, you got it right. Not sure what that means. Is the independent says, yeah, they're all independent, meaning one brand doesn't know what the other brand is doing. So if I say yes, I'm going to maybe the answers you can't tell. Okay, so far so good. These are more verbal questions. Is the daily normal condition met? I'll say yes. Okay, so far so good. Now they ask you for the calculation where it comes, where StatCrunch comes in very handy. These are the 11 numbers. So to do it by hand, you got to take the average, calculate the standard deviation, plug it into the formula. With StatCrunch,
Yeah, I remember this. We did this last year, but except we
the
did.
StatCrunch, let's just do it. And you have the 11 numbers right here. Go to stat. You have to know to go to the T stats. That's the only thing that really knowledge you need. Of course, when you're given the sample standard deviation, or you have to calculate it, you go to T. On the rare occasion where you're given the population standard deviation, which are some examples, you got to go to the Z.
That would be stats, okay.
T, you have one sample, you have the raw data, you type in the R1, you change hypothesis testing to confidence interval. I believe they want 95%.
Yeah, 95%.
You just go to compute. The answer
So-
is 115.97. 115.97. Go here, here, here.
So Z score is only population. That's it. That's the only time we use it.
Okay, that's the first number. The question I was asked is the Z-score. Where again, every now and then they ask you that. They have to tell you that the population standard deviation is such and such a number. Then you're entitled to go to the Z, which is slightly more exact than what happened. But most of the time you don't know that. You just have to estimate the population standard deviation by looking at the sample standard deviation, which is not as accurate. We still have one more number to put in. And that number is 147.66. Question. Go to beauty. Check answer. Hey, that's it. Good. Now comes
She's getting
the
average.
verbal question. Basically interpreting what we just did. The confidence interval we just had was 115 to 147. So the number they're asking is
yeah.
in between those two numbers. That's the
So-
key.
Means we can be 95% confident that the true average calorie, because that's literally 126 is in that range, right?
But it's saying the diet claims outside the interval. No, it's inside the interval.
It's inside it, so it would be.
I think the answer is B. I think the answer is B. Okay, with me, right? Because it's inside the interval. 126 is in between those two numbers. That's it. That's your